Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So, I'm teaching you some way of playing this your trumpet. You know, how to play chord on your trumpet on keyboard. So I'm teaching you, I've done a video on that, but I want to do a video on that today again. So most of you will learn it on this particular song now. I'll be doing it with some song. So please make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on my video. God bless you. So just watch and learn. This is what I'll be teaching you today. Aha. So, the first song I was playing, I started this way. I'm playing on F sharp, but the key I'm on is on C. So if you want to rehearse this, set your key on C. But I'm teaching you on F sharp. I'll be calling out the notes for those of us that is not familiar with F sharp, so you can apply it to your own key. So I started this way. So, do, re, mi. So, do, re, mi. So, fa, mi, re. Fa, mi, do, re, mi. Do, ti, la, ta. You understand? So, fa, mi, re. Fa, mi, do, re, mi. Do, ti, la, ta. So, fa, mi, re. Fa, mi, do, ti, do. So, la, so, fi, so. So, la, so, fi, so. There you go. Play this way. So, your mi and so, yeah. So, do. So, do, re, mi. Then your 3. Yeah, 2 chord. So. Yeah, 2 chord. Then 2 chord. Then you enter 3 chord. Hope you are seeing it very well. So you now play. Again. Then now 3 chord. That is mi so do. Then re fa la here. Hope you are seeing this. Guys, so fa mi re di re. My 3 chord, yeah. My 3 chord, yeah. Then my D here also 3 chord. Guys, la di mi di re. So fa mi re di re. Fa mi do re mi. Guys, re do. I'm using my la do mi. Instead of you playing one note, this is how, when we have like 3 trumpeters playing at the same time, all of them will be playing different notes. So this is just how they play it in different parts. So most of us now in church, we don't have trumpeters, so we are the one playing the trumpet on keyboard. So that's why you need to learn this. And it's very melodious. Something like this now. See, so fa mi re di re, fa mi do re. You go fa mi do re si do. So fa mi re di re, fa mi do re mi. So do si so ta. Also. You can use different ones. So do ti so ta la. Or you can use so do ti so la fi so fa mi re di re. And then fa mi do re do ti do. You understand? Hope you are getting what I'm teaching you guys. You are getting this. It's very simple. So that is also. Then when you want to solo, let me just show you this song now. So. That is just how you just be playing this. So let me just teach you the solo I did here now. So do so la fa re mi re mi. Understand? So do so la fa re mi re mi. So do so la fa re mi re mi. La so fa mi fa re mi do ti do. Mi do ti la ti so fa, mi ba so la ti do re mi, mi ba so la ti do re mi. There you go. So that is just the simple way we do play it. You can be doing so many. You can do so many. You can use what? Just know that if you want to play your do, you can use this. If you want to play your saw, you can use this. If you want to play your fa, if you want to play your saw, so you can use this. Depending on the place you are. If you want to play your mi, La. La also you can use this. Hey, you can use this. Do you can use this. So you can use this. So just know that that is what you'll be applying. That is the full chord of how to play your trumpet sound. God bless you. I'm teaching you on this song. Don't know if I should teach you on another song. Like, what is the other song I played also? Okay, if you want me to teach you this other song, just comment I should do the other song on the next video. Comment below and like. Subscribe. Okay? I'm going to teach you the other song on my next video. That is, if you want me to do the song or any song you want me to do on this trumpet, comment the song below. God bless you all. Thanks for watching.